Hi guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna tell you that how you can fix your Snapchat black screen problem. So if you're facing the Snapchat black screen problem, make sure to watch the video till end. So your black screen Snapchat problem will be solved. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have liked the video for more interesting tutorials. So let's get started. So the first thing that you can do to fix your Snapchat black screen problem. If you're also facing the Snapchat black screen problem like this, the first thing you will have to do is to make sure that nothing is covering your front camera or your back camera. So like this, for example, you can see that something is covering my back camera. Now I'm facing the black screen problem. Now when I will fix it, it will be all right. So the first thing you will have to do is to make sure that nothing is covering your camera. Now the second thing that you can do to fix the black screen problem in the Snapchat is to update your Snapchat application. To do this, you will have to open the App Store. Then you will have to search for the Snapchat. And then you can see there is an option of update. Now just click on it and the Snapchat application will be updated and your problem will be solved. So make sure that you have subscribed to my channel for more interesting tutorials, and thank you.